Hey guys, you have requested this relentlessly. This will now complete your single blade training on forms 1 through 7. If you've enjoyed this lightsaber form tutorial series, make sure to hit that like button. This video hits 7,000 likes, we'll make staff and dual wielding tutorials of each form. If this is your first time watching the channel, I'm going to recommend you go back and watch the basics video and all the other forms. I'll have the link of the playlist in the description below. If you're new to the channel, we make fan films, tutorials, and the occasional lightsaber review. For more content like this, make sure to like and subscribe. Without further ado, we are going to show you how to put that Form 7 style into your lightsaber choreography. Let's get started with the stances. Form 7, known as the Ferocity form. This form is the most aggressive and unpredictable form. This is just really about just tricking your opponent and doing whatever it takes to win, including using your emotions. So here are some Form 7 drills. Rapid horizontal strikes. This is basically just 2s and 6s, or 2s and 4s, whatever's easier for you. 2s and 6s is a little more precise. When you get the speed going, it kind of looks more like a 2 and a 4. This could also be 1s and 3s or 1s and 5s. If you swing it all the way through like this, it's going to look a little more flashy and flowy. But you can change that up if you want to sacrifice some flash for speed. Maybe get 2 hands on it, cut that circle a little shorter. See if you can really overwhelm your fight partner. But again guys, slow is smooth and smooth is fast. Always check with your fight partner to make sure they're comfortable with the speed you want to go. Here's another Form 7 drill, and if you're great at flourishing, this is going to come super natural to you. All this is a figure 8. You're just going to make sure you aim it on the right and left side of your partner for safety, obviously. The defender here is going to be doing aggressive parries, which we talk about in our Form 3 tutorial. Ideally, as the aggressive parry, you're not going to break the flow of your partner's figure 8. You want to make contact and push your partner's blade in the same circle of energy that they're doing the figure 8. As with all of these drills, slow is smooth and smooth is fast. Really take the time to get that flow going right, and once you can feel each other's timing, you can slowly start to increase the speed. Here's a Form 7 technique you can add to your choreography to give it that Form 7 flair, the pommel strike, but we're going to show you how to do it safely. So right here, I think blocking an 8 is a great way to get into it. What you're going to do is once you block the 8, you're going to step in. You're just going to hit the space in front of their face and not their face. And the camera angle will be what makes it look real. Another Form 7 technique is dodging to expose your opponent so when you attack, they will be more open. The idea here is that they won't be expecting you to dodge, which frees up your blade to attack sooner than they would expect. But in this drill here, what if 2 people were using Form 7, constantly dodging to get a quicker attack in? So let's start by showing you the first side. So you're going to attack a 6 at your partner's hand. They're going to dodge and attack an 8. You're going to sidestep this, then get ready to swing a 5 at them, but also lift your right leg because they're sweeping a 3 at you. So that's 6, dodge an 8, attack a 5 and lift your right leg. So let's go over the other side. Your partner's going to start with a 6. You're going to lift your arm, go right into an 8. They're going to sidestep, then get ready to duck, attacking a 3 and dodging a 5 at the same time. So that's dodge the 6, attack an 8, duck and attack a 3. We try to be as safe as we can when teaching you choreography on this channel, but this dodge business is especially risky. So when practicing this, always make sure you have eye contact with your partner before you begin. When you're first starting out with this, make sure there's safety space in case your partner forgets to dodge, you won't hit them. If you're looking for a safe way to increase speed, plan to do it 3 times in a row, increase your speed by 10% each time you do it. And always make that eye contact. Some other Form 7 techniques include punches and kicks. Start with the punch. A good way to throw a punch into your choreography is attack an 8 and then punch. Same idea as the pommel strike, don't actually punch your partner, just stop right in front of your target and your partner will act like you got punched. Again, setting up the right camera angle or knowing where you're going to perform will sell this. Kicks. I think a nice way to set up a kick in your choreography is blocking a 2 first. So simply blocking a 2 gets your partner's blade out of the way, freeing you up for a kick. Again, don't actually kick your partner, just kick the space in front of your partner's back. The camera angle or choosing what side to perform this at for your audience will be what makes it look real.
If you made it this far in the video, make sure to give me that wizard emoji in the comments. So now let's finally get started with
a way to attack 9 count with that Form 7 style is just do it really fast. In the novelization of Revenge of the Sith, it talks about how Anakin is watching Mace and Palpatine's fight and it just looks like a blur of lightsabers. You all know how to do 9 count by now or you wouldn't be watching this Form 7 tutorial.
So I'm going to talk to you about how you can increase that speed in a safe way.
One thing you can do is keep a proper distance, so even if your partner doesn't block, you're not going to be smacking them. When you're too close and they don't block, you will hit them. This safety distance is an SAFD standard, which if you didn't know is the Society of American Fight Directors. I got to learn this from Stephen White himself, who was one of the pioneers of stage combat. So building speed with the 9 count, do it again over and over, slowly increasing your speed by 10% increments each time. As we show you here, this is what a practice like that might look like. It's very repetitive, but it does take a long time to master this speed. Another thing to help your speed is to increase the control you have over your weapon. Here's a great exercise for control. The idea here is to swing your blade as fast as you can at a target, but stop just before you hit it. Another exercise which we do in our Jedi workout videos is just rapid 1-2s as fast as you can. Again and again and again, and actually just see how long you can keep going. Alright, now that I've shown you some techniques and exercises, let's do a full-fledged Form 7 combo. So let's get started with the first side. It's going to start with that figure 8 drill we talked about earlier. You're going to parry to the left, and to the right, and to the left. Then you're going to attack a 6, 2, then block a 4, 2, 1. Defend a hanging parry, go right into an 8, they're gonna dodge, then you attack a 3 and duck at the same time. Then block an 8, block a 6, block an 8 again inverted, and then you're gonna go for a 1 while you're blocking that 8, ensuring you get the kill shot. This maneuver is something we've never really covered on the channel. This is a HEMA technique I'm sure some of you may know. This makes more sense to do with cross guards than slippery polycarbonate blades, but I would imagine lightsabers being real, they do have a traction when they lock up. So let's show you again at half speed for the flow. So that's parry, 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 6, 2, block 3, 2, 1, defend hanging parry, miss 8, 3 at the leg, block 8, 6, 8, and go in for that kill shot. So you're going to start with these flourish figure 8s, starting going on the right side, right side, get ready to block a 6, then a 2, then you're going to attack 3, 2, 1, hanging parry, dodge the 8, miss a 5 lifting your right leg, attack an 8, 6, 8, and then you're going to get kill shots. So let's take that at half speed for the flow. Flourish 8s, right, left, right, block a 6, block a 2, then you attack 3, 2, 1, hanging parry, sidestep the 8, miss a 5 lifting your right leg, attack 8, 6, 8, and then you get the kill shots. Here's another combo. Starting with side 1. So start by blocking a 5, 2, 1, 8, 7, 8. You're going to get kicked. Scoot back. You're going to attack a 2. You're going to go in for a pommel strike. Then hook your blade around for the kill shot. Let's take that again at half speed for the flow. So block a 5, 2, 1, 8, 7, 8. You're going to get kicked, retreat, you're going to come back with a 2, pommel strike, kill shot. Starting with a 5, 2, 1, 8, 7, 8, into a kick, go back to your stance, then block a 2, you're going to get pommeled, and then HEMA sliced. Let's run that again at half speed for the flow. Attack 5, 2, 1, 8, 7, 8, kick, back to stance, block a 2, you get pommeled, you get hemosliced.
Now that you've mastered all 7 forms of lightsaber combat, what are you going to do next? March right into the Outer Rim and challenge Darth Revan himself? Let me know down in the comments, and while you're at it, force crush that like button and see if you can figure out what forms are being used in this video. Hope you guys all have a great rest of your day, and may the Force be with you.